Today I would like to talk a bit of machine learning. Machine learning may be one of the most popular words in recent years, and you must always hear it in many fields. So now I will give you a simple and short introduction of it. Okay, first question is, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence, which is based on sample data or training data to make predictions or make decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning approaches are traditionally divided into three broad categories. The first one is supervised learning. It means that computer is presented with example inputs and their desired outputs given by a teacher. And the goal is to learn a general rule that maps inputs to outputs. The second one is unsupervised learning. It means no labels are given to the learning algorithm, leaving it on its own to find the structure in its input. The third one is reinforcement learning. A computer program interacts with a dynamic environment in which it must perform a certain goal, such as driving a vehicle or playing a game against an opponent. As it navigates its problem space, the program is provided feedback that's analogous to rewards, which it tries to maximize them. Next question. Where could machine learning be used? Machine learning algorithms are used in a wide variety of applications, such as in medicine, email filtering, speech recognition, and computer vision. Where it is difficult or unfeasible to develop conventional algorithms to perform the needed tasks. At the end of the video, I would like to recommend a book to you. It's a book called Machine Learning by Zhou Zhihua. The author is a professor of Nanjing University in China, and he is a famous expert in machine learning. This book is also known as Watermelon book, since the author used the example that how people recognize watermelon to explain this complicated terminologies of machine learning. If you study machine learning and have little knowledge about it, this book is a great one for you to get started.